Hi, I'm Rokk. Welcome to Melon Slices, the show that takes a regular look at the feature set of the live streaming and broadcasting app Melon. Before we tuck into some juicy slices of melon, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. Melon is a web-based broadcasting tool and live streaming studio. If you're a content creator or game streamer who struggles with techie solutions like OBS Studio, someone who makes podcasts or guest-based shows like me, or simply someone who has a need to occasionally stream to a number of people, then Melon was made for you. Built by the people behind Streamlabs and ultimately owned by the tech giant Logitech, Melon was created to cover all the bases for live streamers, podcasters, and broadcasters. I've been using Melon since it was first launched, and I've been amazed at how the team behind it have listened to their users and pushed out updates and amazing features almost on a weekly basis. We'll be looking at each feature in its own video soon. Melon not only lets you live stream though, you can set a future schedule for any number of your shows, and if you want to, stream them to a variety of different platforms like Twitch, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Twitter, all at the same time or individually, whatever takes your fancy. And you don't even need to create a video with Melon if you don't want to. For example, say you're a podcaster with regular guests on your shows. All you have to do is hit record and download just the audio for uploading to platforms like Spotify or Apple Podcasts. In fact, there are a number of ways to use this flexible tool, and I'll be covering some that not even Melon thought of in an upcoming video. So what are Melon's key features? Honestly, there are so many that we really need to look at them in another video, but I would say number one is unbelievable power masked by a simple to use interface. And what makes Melon really amazing is it works in a standard web browser. You don't need to download any software. Once you and your guests have connected cameras and microphones, Melon does all the heavy duty processing and streaming to multiple platforms on servers local to you, what we call the cloud. This means that as long as you have a reasonable broadband connection, nothing too taxing though, just a basic laptop with a camera and microphone is as complex as it needs to get. Melon themselves claim you can set up a show and go live inside of just 5 clicks, and we'll be putting that to the test in a future video also. Another great plus is that the free version of Melon is guaranteed free forever. So if you just want to try it out or use it for an internal project where you need to stream to an audience larger than, say, the free version of Zoom allows, or you just want to try your hand at live streaming your game sessions to Twitch or YouTube as cheaply as possible, Melon has you covered with the free edition. The feature set of the free plan is, as you can imagine, fairly limited. The objective here is to give you a feel for the whole system and whether you want to progress to a paid plan. Your $0 investment allows you to take donations if you just want to use it for charity purposes. It shows real-time alerts from supporters, that's notifications saying you've got a subscriber or someone's just donated to your charity. There are streaming limits of up to 4 hours per month, and that resets in the following month. You can only have 2 guests participate with every stream. And in terms of branding customization, you are limited here. You can't upload or use a logo, but you can play with some of the colors, and there are some free overlays and themes that you can use as well. There are, of course, paid plans on offer as well. 2, in fact, the standard plan and the pro plan. Things open up with the standard plan. Everything that was in the free plan is thrown in, plus you can now upload your logo. You can have up to 6 guests or participants per stream. Unlimited streaming, you can stream as long as you like. You can multi-stream to up to 3 destinations, and you can record up to 4 hours per individual stream. You can also locally record 4 hours per stream, so that records straight to your hard drive and avoids going anywhere near the cloud. You can also upload 1 hour of pre-recorded streams. There's unlimited branding, that's logo, overlays, themes. They give you a disconnect protection, so if you do find that for whatever reason your stream goes down, maybe you lose some internet at your end, they will hold it up for 5 minutes, giving you a bit of time to get back in and pick up where you left off. Plus custom Rtmp. We'll cover that off in a future video, but essentially that allows you to use other tools like OBS or Streamlabs OBS to act as the main platform where you simply then send the stream through Melon to the various platforms. So you can multi-platform from OBS if you want to use OBS rather than the Melon app Live Studio. 15 days recording storage, so they will keep hold of all of the stuff that you do for up to 2 weeks per video, and you can upload media files, so that could be a stinger, it could be a video clip, could be some audio, and that's limited to 150 megabytes per file. The Pro version has everything that the 2 previous versions have, with the inclusion of a further 3 participants, so up to 9 guests or participants per show. You can multi-stream to unlimited destinations. Of course, that all depends on which platforms are available within Melon. Again, something we'll cover in a forthcoming video. You can do audio only recording, ideal if you are a podcaster. You can record up to 10 hours per stream, upload 2 hours of pre-recorded streams, and record locally up to 10 hours per stream. And you now have the option of Full HD, which is 1080p. That's 720p for the 2 previous plans. You can upload media files at 300 megabytes limit per file, and they'll store all of your videos or audio files for a month, 30 days storage. And of course, you get priority support, which is actually really good, excellent support provision. Now here's some good news. If you sign up via the link in the description below and decide to upgrade to a paid plan at any point, you will get a whopping 20% discount on your first month, or if you go for the annual option, a further discount on top of the existing discount for going down the year route. The channel, that's us, will get a small token of appreciation as well, so it's a win-win. So that's our helicopter view of Melon. Please make sure you subscribe for a ton more juicy Melon Slices videos soon, where we'll cover much more detail, get you up and running, and check out every single feature in mouth-watering detail. Plus, I'll be sharing my pro tips from years of live streaming and video production. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Rokk's Melon Slices. To try Melon for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a free lifetime plan. And if you decide to subscribe to a paid plan, you will get 20% off your first billing cycle just by using the link in the description.